of 1 p.m. here on Breaking Ground. The police officials are recreating the Durgapur crime scene. The police are in Durgapur in the gang rape case. A large police contingent led by Deputy Commissioner Abhishek Gupta of the Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate has reached the spot today as part of the ongoing investigation into the alleged gang rape of a second-year medical student. I have live with me from Durgapur, Ritik, who will give us more details on this. A lot of investigations on the ground as we speak. You've been there. Tell us more on the probe itself.
Well, good afternoon, Radhika. What we are learning that at this point in time, the recreation of Durgapur horror has just begun, and a IPS rank officer of Asansol Commissionerate has reached the crime scene. He is leading the entire, recreation procedures. Remember, it's a very crucial, segment as far the investigations is concerned. We're also learning that the one after another, all the 5 accused who have been arrested so far will be brought to the crime scene. Now the entire stretch has been, or the entire area, the entire crime scene has been cordoned off. Police is not particularly, allowing media persons or onlookers to reach to closure to the crime scene. Now the who is the DC, the Deputy Commissioner of the Asansol Police Commissionerate is currently leading this the investigation. He is at the spot. Remember earlier this morning also 2 of the prime accused were taken to their village home in order to get more crucial evidences from their home, from their residence. So it's a very crucial, segment as per this recreation of this crime scene is concerned. Remember, 5 persons have been arrested so far, but as of now, what we are also learning, the disease, the victims' parents, they are quite unsatisfied with regard to the investigation. They are unsatisfied. They are not satisfied with the safety of their daughter, which is why they have decided to take their daughter back to their home in Orissa. A lot of politics are also panning out. The BJP continues to attack Trinamool Congress and its administration over the failure of safety with regards to the women in the state. Back
Ritik Mandal, thanks for joining us live. And like Ritik pointed out there, politics continues over the Durgapur rape horror. It refuses to die down at the moment. Amid nationwide anger, attention has now shifted to Mamata Banerjee's controversial remarks, which critics say blame the survivor. The BJP has launched multiple attacks on the Mamata government and the Trinamool Congress, calling the Trinamool Congress a curse on women in Bengal. Also, the party further added that Mamata's policies are anti-women while rapists roam free in Bengal. All these claims being made by BJP in Bengal. Bengal leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari, who has been camping in Durgapur and leading a protest against the government, has called the Mamata government a rapist government, saying the Bengal Chief Minister's party always supports rapists. In a social media post, the BJP has questioned the silence of Trinamool Congress women leaders, saying that this is the usual response of party to such incidents. The National Commission for Women, NCW, has slammed glaring lapses in security and law enforcement, raising serious questions about preventive measures, policing and investigation, both of them in Durgapur. Adding to the controversy, TMC MP Shugata Roy suggested that women need to exercise caution, saying women shouldn't leave colleges at night. Police cannot patrol everywhere. Another Trinamool Congress MP, Kakali Ghosh Dastidar, has sparked further outrage by claiming that rape happens everywhere in the country.
पहली बात, मुख्यमंत्री जी झूठ बोल रही है। लड़की उतनी रात को नहीं निकल गई, लेकिन फिर से 8 साढ़े 8 बजे लड़की निकली है। पहली बात हो गया झूठ। लेकिन ये सही, मतलब ये मेन इशू नहीं है कि लड़की 8 बजे निकली कि 12 बजे निकली कि 1 बजे निकली। लड़की निकल रही है रास्ते पे और उसके साथ रेप हो रहा है। वो 8 बजे निकली, 12 बजे निकले, जितने बजे चाहे निकले। ये जिम्मेदारी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की है। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेन करने में पूरी तरीके से नाकामयाब हुई है।
प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज को इसकी जिम्मेदारी उठाने की बात कही है।
नहीं, प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज क्या करेगा? रेप प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज के अंदर हुआ है क्या? बाहर हुआ है कैंपस से। तो इट इज़ ए प्योरली मैटर ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, लैक ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर।
एक चीज और है, मुख्यमंत्री अपने बयान में ये भी कह रहे हैं कि ओडिशा, क्योंकि वो लड़की ओडिशा से पीड़ित थी, तो ओडिशा में 3 जो है वहाँ पे घटनाएं हुई हैं ऐसी, यूपी और मणिपुर और बिहार का भी वो जिक्र कर रही हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं एक असंवेदनशीलता दिखती है। मुख्यमंत्री जो कि खुद एक महिला हैं,
पूरी तरीके से असंवेदनशीलता है। भारत के भिन्न भिन्न हिस्से में ऐसी घटना घटी है, लेकिन आपका ट्रीटमेंट क्या है वो तो देखिए। आप डिनाई करती है, आप लांछन लगाती है लड़कियों के ऊपर। जब ममता बनर्जी की सरकार पहली बार आई उस समय पार्क स्ट्रीट कांड घटा था, उस समय उन्होंने लड़की के कैरेक्टर के ऊपर सवाल उठाया था। नदिया में लड़की के कैरेक्टर के ऊपर सवाल उठाया, इसमें भी शायद लड़की के कैरेक्टर के ऊपर सवाल उठाई है, क्योंकि इसमें भी वो बोल रहे हैं कि रात को इतने बजे क्यों बाहर निकलते।
सरकार खुद ही रेपिस्ट है, रेपिस्ट का प्रोटेक्टर है ममता बनर्जी का सरकार। जो नासिरुद्दीन अरेस्ट हुआ है वो दुर्गापुर म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन का कैजुअल एम्प्लॉय भी है और तृणमूल का युवा नेता है। टीएमसी खुद ने रेप का साथ जुड़ा हुआ है, वो कैसे प्रोटेक्शन करेगा?